Some 2.5 years ago, I noticed a crane in the field across the road and I thought, what are they doing? I came down to have a look and I ended up walking through this tunnel underneath the railway bridge. At the time, I didn't really know what it was for, but I'd been told it was going to be demolished and a new bridge put in. Walking through here at the time was really weird and freaking. I didn't like it. That's a lot better job. Boats can now come through here, but before, not a chance. Just look at that. Walking through here is so much different now, much better. It's quite claustrophobic, that last thing. This is just beautiful. Just imagine a couple of years' time with boats up and down this part. That'd be beautiful. They've done a fantastic job so far. We're just coming up to the swing bridge. Hello ducks, enjoying your afternoon's kip? What a stunning location. It's beautiful. Very nice indeed. This is just wonderful. Beautiful. Very nice indeed. And just look at this. We are very spoiled here. Anyway, that's it for today.